Good evening, viewers. Welcome to tonight's regional news. I am ALANA NADIR. Haiti's chief public prosecutor invited Prime Minister Ariel Henry on Friday to meet with him next week to explain why he spoke with one of the main suspects in the assassination of the former president, Jovenel Moïse, on the night of the crime. Moïse was shot dead when assassins stormed his private residence in the hills above Port-au-Prince on July 7th, plunging the impoverished Caribbean country deeper into turmoil. Investigators say former Haitian Justice Ministry official Joseph Felix Bedillo may have ordered the assassination. Subpoenaed records from cell phone operator Digicel have now also enabled them to confirm the accusation that Bedillo and Henry spoke on July 7th, twice around 4 a.m., just hours after Moïse's killing, according to a letter sent on Friday. Geolocalization data also show Bedillo was speaking from the scene of the crime, the letter said. Turning now to Barbados. It is not what doctors in Barbados hoped would occur, but they expected that once the Delta variant of COVID-19 took hold in the communities, it would spread like nothing the island has experienced. What has also compounded the situation is the still significant number of persons who have not taken the near 75,000 doses of various vaccines still available to help inoculate adults and children over the age of 12 years old. The president of Barbados Association of Medical Practitioners, BAMP, Dr. Linda Williams, is cautioning citizens that there is absolutely no need to panic. The experienced medical practitioner and epidemiologist, who has been quite outspoken and deliberate in articulating the recommendations of her fraternity, said, "Panic will achieve nothing good." Regarding the number of minors who are testing positive for COVID-19, the BAMP president reflected that what was occurring in Barbados was a similar pattern of the disease's manifestation in other countries. In news from the Twin Island Republic, in the first unrelated incident, an unidentified man was shot dead in Maloney Gardens on Wednesday around 7:55 p.m. Residents observed a man with a group of men not known to the area who was saying repeatedly, "It's not mine." A series of gunshots followed. The group dispersed and the man was found face down on the ground with gunshot wounds to his chest and head. In the other incident, 2 men are dead, while the third is nursing gunshot injuries following a shooting in Blanchisseuse on Wednesday night. The victims have been identified as Servin Bristol, 40, and Clive Joseph, 50. The injured victim, who is also from the area, is a 36-year-old fire officer. Police said that around 8:40 p.m., the three were liming near their home. 2 masked men allegedly approached, pulled out firearms, and shot at the group, then fled the scene on foot. Bristol died on the scene. Joseph was pronounced dead at 9:30 p.m. that day. The fire officer, despite suffering a minor gunshot injury, refused to seek treatment. And finally, in news from Jamaica. Over the last 2 months, there has been an increase in the number of children in this parish who have contracted COVID-19, sparking concerns among health officials. We have 652 active cases and 95 of them are children under the age of 19. The parish's medical officer for health, Dr. Marcia Graham, told Thursday's monthly meeting of the Westmoreland Municipal Cooperation. At July's meeting, when there were 10 children with COVID-19, she had already raised an alarm. Now the numbers are more than 9 times high. The children are being infected by both family members and playmates within the community. She urged parents to have their children ages 12 and over vaccinated against the novel coronavirus. She also made a general appeal to residents to follow the protocols and interact with everyone they encounter as if they have the disease. And that's all for tonight's regional news. Thank you for watching.